Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to easily stop those annoying auto downloads on your iPad mini. In iPhone and iPad, to stop auto downloading, we'll close it in the store on one device, which will also affect the other, keeping your downloads in sync across devices, or not, as you prefer. To adjust these settings, we'll go to Settings and then select Screen Time from there. Go to Screen Time, where you'll find Content and Privacy Restrictions options available. Now we'll go to the iTunes and App Store Purchases section to adjust these specific download settings there. Now, let's head to the Installing Apps option, where we'll select Don't Allow to prevent automatic installation of downloads on any device, essentially stopping those unwanted auto downloads from happening in the first place. Similarly, on the iPad, we'll open Settings to start, just like before, to access the controls we need to make this change. Go to Settings, we need to access the same Screen Time menu, specifically the Screen Time and Content Restriction section. Now, let's go ahead and turn it on to apply those changes immediately. Now, let's go to iTunes and App Store Purchases, and for installing apps, we'll choose Don't Allow, which stops automatic downloads of apps between your devices. If the same Apple ID is used, stopped auto downloads on your iPad mini, check the description for a deal. Like and subscribe.